Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term pike. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, pike is a slang term often meaning a toll road or to quit abruptly. People use it when talking about leaving abruptly or referencing a toll road. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Pike first showed up in the 18th century English turnpike roads. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among drivers and urban communities. Now let's check out how to use pike in a sentence. Correct example 1. She decided to pike out of the party early to catch the last train home. Correct example 2. I'm gonna pike before things get too crazy tonight. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said pike at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using pike right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Pike means a slang term often meaning a toll road or to quit abruptly. It started in the 18th century English turnpike roads, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with pike in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.